Meaning of frightfully.
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 Frightfully. Frightfully is an adverb that means something is extremely or excessively, usually used to convey a negative feeling or emotion. The word can be used to describe a variety of situations with a strong emphasis on the intensity of the experience. For example, it was frightfully cold outside, conveys that the temperature was extremely low. Similarly, she was frightfully angry, suggests that the person was intensely angry. Overall, the use of frightfully enhances the description of a situation by emphasizing its extreme or excessive nature.